Hello students, I am Hiralal Gaur, maths teacher. Students, uh, after long holidays, many days of holiday because of Corona, we are at home, and because of Corona, we were interconnected online education during April and May. After May, June and July, there was a vacation. In June, summer vacation, and July, because of Corona, 1 month extended, and till now, school is not open, but school office time is 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Office is opening. So, if you have not taken admission, go and take your admission. Your exam will be at time, it means in March, and only your course will be reduced, 35% course will be reduced. Okay, so study is most important. uh, so and this video is for class 8th maths. Okay, so students, now after holiday, after vacation, from today we are starting online education, so we will teach you online. So please be careful and prepare yourself. If you have purchased book, then it is very good. If not purchased, then purchase books and start studying. Okay, in maths, we studied exercise 2b. It means we have completed 2 units, 1 and 2. So today we will start next chapter, chapter 3, squares and square root. Okay, so square numbers are the product of a number with itself. Okay, if a number is multiplied by itself, we get a product. That product is called square of the number. For example, square of 3. Square of 3 is equal to 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. Similarly, square of 4. Square of 4 is equal to 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Okay, so this is square. It means to find square of a number, multiply the number by itself. Okay, so let us see and let us solve some questions of this exercise. Yes, write this square. Definition of square: the square of a number is product of the number with the number itself. किसी नंबर का उसी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना. Example, 4 square is equal to 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16, and we say that the square of 4 is 16. Second example, 9 square is equal to 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81, and we say that the square of 9 is 81. Okay. Second, perfect squares are square numbers, means numbers which are perfect squares. A natural number is called a perfect square or a square number if it is the square of some natural number. Okay. Example, we know that 1 is equal to 1 square, 4 is equal to 2 square, 9 is equal to 3 square, 16 is equal to 4 square, 25 is equal to 5 square, and so on. Thus 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 etc are perfect squares. So these numbers are perfect square. 25 is perfect square. Why? Because 25 is square of 5. Okay, if a number is square of some natural number, then the number is called perfect square. A perfect square number is always expressible as the product of pairs of equal factors. Okay, any number, any perfect square number can be expressed as product of pairs of equal factors. So let us solve exercise 3a. Exercise 3a, question 1. Using the prime factorization method, find which of the following numbers are perfect squares. These are numbers. We have to find out which numbers are perfect square. Let us solve first. Question 1 first. 441. Resolving 441 into prime factors, we get prime factorization of 441. Prime numbers 4, 4, 8, 1, 9. 9 it is divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 2. 3 is prime number. 3 1 ja 3. 3 4 ja 12. 3 3 4 and 49 is not divisible by 4 5 6. This is divisible by 7. 7 7 ja 49. 7 1 ja 7. So 3, these are prime numbers which are not divisible by any other number except 1 and the number itself. So this can be written 441 is equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply 7. Here 3 is in pair, 7 is also in pair. So this can be written 3 square into 7 square. Thus prime factors are in pairs. Prime factors are in pairs. 3 is prime factor. This is in pair. Pair means group of 2. 7 is prime factor and this is in pair. So 441 is perfect square. Hence 441 is perfect square. Okay. Students, one question. We have solved question number 1. The remaining question of the question number 1 you have to solve yourself. Okay. If you got problem, I shall solve other question in next video. Okay. So till then, goodbye.